All right, guys, so we've all heard of TikTok. TikTok has exploded in popularity over the past few years. You know, a couple of years ago, it used to be that new hot platform on the block. Everybody was obsessed with it. Everybody was creating content. People were becoming famous overnight. But then, of course, TikTok had to make money. They eventually introduced TikTok ads, which are very similar to Facebook ads. The ads just seamlessly show up in your TikTok feed when scrolling. You've probably seen them a million times. Generally, the best type of ads to create are UGC or user-generated content because they fit in so well with the platform and it just seems like another creator made it instead of a big corporate conglomerate trying to shove an advertisement down your throat. And so I won't waste your time about what are TikTok ads, what are they useful for, who should be running them, how should you set them up, because I've already made videos like that, which I'll leave in the description box, and you've probably already seen videos like that. Instead, I'm gonna give you exactly what you asked for when you clicked on this video, which is up to $6,000 in free TikTok ad credits so that you can outspend your competition, you can start making more money, and you can start crushing it with TikTok ads. The reason why I'm actually able to offer this to you guys is because I'm a platinum partner at TikTok. So brief explanation, I've been working with TikTok for the past few years. They saw that I created guides on TikTok ads right here on my YouTube channel. They reached out and they were like, hey, we noticed you're bringing a lot of users, a lot of businesses to start running ads on our platform. We would love to partner with you and give you a special discount so that you can bring even more users to the platform and they can benefit from it too. So it's a crazy win-win-win situation. TikTok gets new businesses advertising on the platform. I get to make a little bit of money from TikTok for making this kind of content and for offering this stuff. And you win because when you use my link, when you click in the description box of this video and set up a new TikTok ad account, you will get TikTok ads for 50 cents on everybody else's dollar, making it unreasonable for you not to make a ton of profit with your first TikTok ad campaign. And when you think about it, guys, that's the whole point of this. They want new users to the platform. They want new people running TikTok ads. And they're willing to give you a crazy deal through me so that you can taste that success, so you can make a bunch of money and then go on to start advertising on TikTok forever. Now, this is really, really good for a bunch of different people. Of course, for existing e-com brands that want another way to advertise. Of course, for dropshippers, because now you can test products profitably out the gate because you're literally getting ads for 50 cents compared to everybody else spending $1 on them. And even just for any business that has a TikTok presence already and wants to expand with ads. Another really cool thing about TikTok ads is that you can take an existing post on your TikTok account and run it in the platform as an ad to reach even more people and make even more money. So without any more rambling on, basically what you're gonna do is click that first link in the description and you're gonna land on the official TikTok for Business page. Now you'll be able to see my beautiful face on the right-hand side here of this page, and then spend $200, get 200, spend 500, get 500, et cetera, all the way up to 6K. So that's basically how it works. Once you deposit, let's say $500 into a new fresh TikTok ad account, TikTok is gonna match that and give you $500 in free TikTok ad credits that you can then use to spend on the platform. And so you will have to fund your account and start spending within the first 30 days in order to claim your promo. So what you can do is, if you're not for whatever reason interested in starting TikTok ads right now, I recommend you save down this video and you come back later and use the link. But if you're ready to start, I recommend that you click the link right now and set up a fresh account, because I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to have access to this promo. They gave me a promotion like this before. I wanna say it was 2 years ago. I posted a video just like this on my channel, but then after a couple months, too many people were using the promotion, too many people were abusing the new offer, and so they shut it off. So again, I don't know how long it'll be around for. I really recommend you just set up the account. So when you're on this page, all you have to do is scroll down, put in your email, create a password, or just go ahead and click unlock offer right here and set up the account, because this way it'll ensure that you don't miss this crazy promotion. Again, I'm not gonna walk you through the setup process. I don't wanna waste your time because you probably already know how to use TikTok ads. If you don't, I'll have another video in the description. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make this urgent little update to make sure you guys get full advantage, because one, it's just a crazy win-win-win situation, and two, I wanted to get you guys access as soon as I heard about this promo. I'm literally one of 50 partners worldwide who can give you this offer, and I appreciate each and every single one of you for watching my YouTube channel, for being a supporter of me, and I just want to keep being able to offer you guys as much as I possibly can as a way to say thank you and provide more value and impact. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in next week's video. Peace.